In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download folder without zipping from Google Drive. If you've ever tried downloading a folder directly from Google Drive on the web, you've probably noticed it gets bundled into a zip file. That's fine sometimes, but it's not ideal if you want the folder exactly as is. The simplest way around this is to use the Google Drive app on your computer, which syncs your files and lets you copy folders without creating a zip. Start by downloading and installing the Google Drive app for your computer. Get it from the official Google Drive website, choose the version for your operating system, and follow the on-screen installation prompts. When the app opens, sign in with your Google account and make sure sync is turned on. The app will create a Google Drive location on your computer so your online files show up in a Drive folder in Windows. Whether you choose to stream or mirror files, you'll see your drive with the same structure you recognize from the web. Next, switch to Google Drive on the web and locate the folder you want to download without zipping. Select the folder, click the three dots menu, choose Organize, and then click Add Shortcut. Pick the destination inside your My Drive where you want this shortcut to live. Confirm the choice. This creates a shortcut in your drive structure which the desktop app will recognize and sync. Give it a moment to sync. Now open the Google Drive app on your computer and click Open Drive Folder. This launches your Drive and File Explorer. Go to My Drive and navigate to the exact location where you just added that shortcut. You'll see the shortcut as if it were a regular folder. Open it to confirm you can see the contents. This ensures the app is connected and ready. From here, simply copy the folder and paste it anywhere on your computer, such as your desktop or documents. The Google Drive app will pull the files down and save them in that location without creating a zip. Keep your internet connection active and the Drive app running while it transfers. For large folders, this may take some time, so it's best to avoid putting your device to sleep during the process. Make sure you have enough local storage to hold everything you're copying. Once the copy finishes, you'll have a normal, unzipped folder on your computer. You can open it, move it, or back it up just like any other folder. That's all there is to it. Install the Drive app, add a shortcut to the folder in Drive on the web, let it sync, then copy and paste locally. No zip files involved.